In this InDesign video, we're going to talk about the Type tool. Type tool can be found right over here. There's the Type tool, and if you click and hold the Type on Path tool. Starting with the Type tool, if you want to match my interface here, you need to be in the Advanced Workspace. So right up here, click Advanced. Another way to getting it to that is Window, Workspace, and then select Advanced. So the Type tool works. If you click, it'll do nothing, but you must click and drag to actually create a type box. Okay, in this type box, the cursor will open up, and this is where your headline goes. Okay, so getting the select tool will then deselect. So in this case, my type is black text here, and it's rather small. With the select tool, I'm going to go ahead and change my type box to match my guides here. I'm going to pull it up and then reduce the vertical height here. Now, if you want to change your color for one, so you can see, you need to come down here to your toolbar to the type color. Okay, the type color currently is set to black. Okay, that's this T color here. So the regular fill color is here, type color is here, and we can go ahead and change that to white. Now we can actually see it. Other places you can actually change your color is going to be in the swatch panel. You can select your type color there and make changes to it as well. Okay, so multiple places to go ahead. Now, next thing you want to do is go ahead and reselect your type box. And across the top here in the top right, you can see we have align to top. It's aligning to the top of our box here. I'm going to go ahead and align it to the center. Okay. Now, as far as your actual text alignment, that's going to be located in a different spot. You change the alignment. I'm going to go back to the type tool. I'm using the T keyboard shortcut. With the type tool selected, I have my text alignment. So I'm going to go to center align here. So with the type tool, you can control your alignment of your type. With the actual select tool, you can select the placement, and that's available right up here in your tool preference bar. Next, you want to open up your character, and your character is not going to be open by default. You want to go to Windows and then Type and then Characters, Control T. Now, when your character opens up, I'm going to bring this on screen here. You can select your font there. You can also select the actual sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and increase it here just to make the font size a little bit more clickable. Okay, so now your paragraph is where you can also change your alignment. Okay, so I don't have it selected right now. So if I want to change the alignment, you can do it with the paragraph tab. That's again available under Window, Tools, Type, and then Paragraph. So there's a variety of ways. You can change it up in your tool preference bar here. You can align it in the character and paragraph tab. So there's various ways of doing the same thing. Now, if you want to get a preview, that's over here at the very bottom. Remember that the normal view is rather pixelated, plus you see the guides. If you click and hold and click preview, then you'll actually get a preview of what your file looks like. So it's a quick introduction on how it is to use the type tool and some of the options and locations where you can change color, alignment, and those types of things.